How can you search for contacts on your Apple Watch? Let me show you what is available and possible. So yeah, let's get started. If you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss anything. Anyways, the Apple Watch has the built-in contacts application, which you can open up and scroll through. Depends on how many contacts you have, but they are like sorted alphabetically. So you can scroll through the screen or use the digital crown, and you're going to get to all of the apps the contacts that you need. However, still the best way to look them up is through the Siri, right? So you can literally give it the command to like look up the contact named, and then you mention the name. And it's just going to pull it on the screen. You'll be able to see like the number and all of the information, which you can click on or perhaps text that person or, call it, whatever. But it has to be done like this. You don't have like a search feature or a search field within the contacts application. Technically, there are some apps which you can use instead of your built-in contacts app. Those may be, I guess, less reliable because they are like, from third-party developers, not from Apple, but you can replace the built-in contacts on the iPhone as well as on the watch, right? So you will have the ability to use it on like different devices, so you can explore that if you really wanted to. But yeah, I believe that using this is like a good way to get the job done. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to make it work. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss tips and videos like this one, and I will see you later. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you then.